Hi everyone, today we're going to see how to bulk generate 10,000 NFTs, JPEGs plus JSON files for Solana. First, and obviously I will put all the requirements in the description, but we need to clone the Ashlips Solana version made by Jack Solana right here. Props to him for doing this work actually. So what we need to do is in VS Code, we need to clone the project. So what I will do is copy the URL right here and then go to VS Code, open a new terminal, and we want to run the command git clone and paste the URL that we've just copied. This is done. So we're going to go to Explorer, open folder, and see the folder has been created. So I can open the folder right here. And I want to open a new terminal. And in that new terminal, I want to yarn install, enter. So it's installing yarn dependencies. And it's done. So you can see here this is a layers folder. So we want to replace those folders, so subfolders, with our own folders. So I can directly copy my own layers and then go back to the Ashlips folder, layers, and I want to replace those subfolders with my own. So move to bin, copy, and done. So now we want to add the rarity for each of our layers. And you can see the three types: accessories, background, and character. So to add the rarity, we can rename right here and add ash and the rarity. So I can say 20 for mask. For nothing, I can say 60. And for rabbit, I can say 20. So you see here, all the layers needs to add up to 100%, right? So I'll do that for the other subfolders. Right, so once this is done, we want to go into the src folder and open the config.js file. So in that file, you can see there's a bunch of options that we can change. And if we start with grow edition size 2, this means the number of NFTs that we want to generate. So if I wanted to generate 10,000, I would need to put 9,999, because for Solana, the count starts at 0. Obviously, right now I can't do that because I don't have enough layers. So for this tutorial, we'll create 10 NFTs, which is grow edition size to 9. Right here, I can change the collection name. So I can call it, say, Sol Aliens. And I can also change the symbol. So I can put SAL. And here you can see we can define the commission on the second market sales. So if I wanted 15%, I would put 1,500, 10%, 1,000, and let's say 5% would be 500. Here we have the website URL where people will be able to mint our NFTs. And if I go down to layers order here, this corresponds to the folder, the subfolders that I have here. So right now I have 3. I have background, so I can keep that. And remember, the folders needs to be in order. So I have background, I have then character, and I have accessories. In terms of format, I can change it here. So this will be the output for the files. I'll keep it for as default for this tutorial. And in terms of background, we don't need any changes, so I'll just put 0% here. If I go down, I can add the collection name again, as well as the family that collection belongs to. So I can say space creatures. Right. And then in terms of properties, we want to keep that to PNG, so I won't make any change here. And then for the address, this is the original owner's address. So what we want to do is go into our wallet, copy the address, the public address, and then paste it right here. In terms of shares, we want to keep it at 100%. And once we are fine with all the settings, we can save the config.js file. And finally, we can run npm run build. So you can see it's starting and it's generating the files. Right, and this is done. I have my 10 NFTs created. So if I go back to the folder, all my files have been generated here. So if I wanted to upload it, bulk upload later on, I would put all the images files and JSON files together, and I would bulk upload everything directly, which will be the subject of another video. But in the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.